photographer, how's it going? I'm Michael Zelbel. Today I would like to share with you how we made a quick little portrait in a hotel room at a little white table. In the setup I used two speedlights, both of them going through 40-inch shoot-through umbrellas, and the special thing is that I placed the umbrellas directly next to each other, so combined they pretty much act as one single light source. The first photo was a simple portrait in a bathrobe, which I could get in the hotel, and on this simple portrait we see a mirror reflection of the lighting setup. There are the two umbrellas directly next to each other. Now, underneath the model there is this little white marble table, and that reflects light from underneath up into her face. And we can also see the reflection of this table in her eyes. I would say it exposes the model roughly 2 stops lower than the umbrellas actually expose her. Most of the Asian women that I photograph, they prefer a light that illuminates every corner of their face evenly. It should be really bright, everything should be white, every fold, wrinkle should be ironed out with light, basically. It's a very two-dimensional lighting. They are not after three-dimensionality or anything. It's just everything should be high key and as flawless as possible. The settings that I used for that were my typical camera settings that I pretty much always use. That's a 200th of a second, f2.8 and ISO 100. The speedlights that I used were both Metros Plus speedlights from Photics. They have a guide number of 58 and they were both on 1/32 of their power, which is not much light, but yeah, in this setup with f2.8 we don't need much light. The setup with this available reflector with the little marble table, it worked quite well. The face is illuminated evenly in all kinds of poses, and the closer the face comes to the table, the brighter it gets. Over here it's closer to the table and you see the table is already brighter. It's probably 1 stop or half a stop under the umbrellas, and also it appears much bigger when her face is close to the table, so the light is pretty unreal. It's not natural or something, but this is what we are after over here. In another photo we see the advantage of a wide light source with the two umbrellas next to each other because it reaches around her head and into the hair. To recap, two 40-inch shoot-through umbrellas next to each other work as one big light source, and the white table works as a reflector. If the surface of this table would not have been white, we would just have placed a white towel on top of it. That would work just as well. I hope this inspires you to make your own double umbrella portrait at home, at a hotel room, with your friends, with a model. In any case, for that I wish you a lot of fun and good light.